Alright guys, here we go again. Um, I'm feeling kind of crappy today, and I have been on and off for the last couple of weeks because of the severe amount of smoke in the air here in Boise, Idaho. A lot of it's coming from the fires in Northern California. And anyways, so still trying to press along and not let it derail me too much. Anyway, so this is going to be the first time I drive this thing. I started earlier and started making a video. The problem was that I was out of power steering fluid, so I'm like, crap. And then so I go and take care of that, and then, oh my gosh, the thing makes a lot of noise. So the power steering pump is probably bad, and I'm probably going to have to replace it. But it at least works a little bit. I don't know, maybe it'll get better as I drive it. Maybe I can put some like Lucas oil in there or something for the power steering fluid. Maybe that'll help it. But anyways, so yeah, and then I also noticed that once I did that and I had it running and I pressed on the brakes, that noise kind of changed a little bit. So I'm not sure what's up with the brakes affecting that. I did have to add a little bit of .5 purple, but it didn't seem like it was that low. It's not like it was all the way down and catching air. So I don't know. But anyways, so yeah. Hopefully I'm not like that one guy a while back in LA that stole a tank and ran over everything in sight. But anyways, I'm pretty sure I'm only going to be able to drive in first gear. It's possible that, if I put it into second, it probably will go. But I'm not exactly sure how these transmission modules work, or if mine actually even works. And that's a whole other story. But I got the whole thing super cheap. So I'm just, if I get lucky and it works, then I'm good. But it's definitely not going to work now because of I don't have the dual voltage regulator yet. That's like about the last thing that I need to order, and there's a bunch of different ones of those. I can't find the exact one that I need. I mean, I can find it new, but oh my god, it's way too much money. It's ridiculous. So but anyway, so I'm just trying to test it and see how things go. If it goes into gear, and I'll go through the transfer case and see how that works. So yeah, I will be backing up about a foot or so, and then putting it in, well, if it goes back, then I'll be putting it in park, and then taking out the chocks on all four tires, and put it into drive, and cross my fucking fingers. Well, you know what? It's not near as loud as it was earlier, so maybe it'll chill out once it gets some fluid flowing through there for a little bit. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, and I'm waiting on my exhaust parts to come in. They should be in about another week. Everything is from direct from the factory. I have that little straight accordion piece that goes from the driver's side exhaust manifold to the turbo, but it's just sitting in there pinched. There's no clamps on it. And then after that, there's literally nothing anywhere. So it's actually surprisingly not very loud, considering that right after the manifold on the passenger side, there's nothing, and right after the turbo, there's nothing. guys, wish me luck, huh? Okay, so now I got a spot set up here in the back for the tripod to go while I drive it. So I'm going to put it on pause and I'll be back. Alright, let's see what happens, huh? Oh, you know what? Let me raise it. Alright, I think that's good enough. All right, so that all went pretty good. I think it went into second gear. I do got a leak down here that looks like, I wonder if that's coolant. Oh, I think that's coolant. Oh. Yeah, that's coolant. So I gotta figure out where that's coming. But anyways, yeah. We're good. Look at that. Still gotta find out about these damn headlights. That guy from eBay never wrote me back. But there you have it.